Arvin, how about at Verizon? You all have a unique perspective there because you're looking striping across the entire federal community along with the public sector community. Give us sort of a top line as to what you see in regards of the ecosystem and the capability of modernizing those environments.
Yeah, thanks, Luke, and congratulations on 8 great years here. I appreciate the opportunity to be here this afternoon with everyone. I think you'll hear it on this panel. These are my customers, these are my constituents, these are my
Mm,
stakeholders, right? When I hear Sunny, when I hear Ben, and I hear Will talk on this panel, it's what drives us to modernize our technology, right? We've had a massive shift in just Verizon in general, moving things to the cloud, more digital service enablement, and really automating a lot of our processes so that when we do change, when we do multiple products, it's frictionless. It allows you to get to the data. So when we talk to our agencies, the biggest pain point is a multi-vendor ecosystem that they can't really figure out where the threats are. Is it in the IT system? Is it in the OT system? So we've took a platform approach. We've been on a 3-year journey. And, like when you think about cybersecurity postures, when you think about these environments of critical and non-critical workloads, it is imperative that we get a FedRAMP accreditation. So as a supplier, as a contractor here, that is one thing that we really invested heavily in. So that's one big, massive thing that's in the marketplace today. We have a Verizon GovCloud offering, and that is going to set us to start bringing in products and services in those accredited environments. So if you think about things that are 20 years old, right, our business practices in civilian and DoD have changed drastically. Things like MTIPs, I think these are old legacy environments that we're transforming
yeah.
how we take workloads to the cloud. How do we look at zero trust principles? How do we bring in threat intelligence? How do we cross connect systems and still take that platform approach? Our first offering is SD-WAN, as we look at the efficiencies and agencies kind of contracting a little bit in terms of resources. They need a more agile network. They need things that are push button easy. So we're bringing those to solutions to light so that we can solve some of the problems with the agencies in partnership. Another area that's really important to us, and it's the cultural change in how we support, right? We're bringing more of the enterprise muster, the kind of things that we do really fast for a global enterprise business into public sector for the first time. That is a massive cultural shift. Obviously, that for us in Verizon, but also for our customers in the agency. So we're trying to match that because at the end of the day, we are very agency mission focused, and customer experience to us is key. In order for us to change how we serve, we need to change culturally internally. And that's a big thing that I'm undertaking with my team as well.